Hey guys, check where I'm at. Nice, ain't it? I'm over here in, I guess this is still Arida. Just chilling and enjoying my bento right there with a couple drinks I've got. Sports drink, that's another sports drink. And this, my friends, this is a homemade slushy. How do I need two hands? All right, hold on. There we go. Hold on. I got kiwi and grape fruit in here, and honey, and lots of ice. So it's nice and crunchy. We got shake, salmon, and pretty much that's it. Salmon and rice. There's my shirt drying because it's nice and hot. It's also nice and windy, so I'm enjoying this weather a lot. After running this morning for, I guess it's around 12 kilometers. I am enjoying this. Get some air in there. Okay guys,